Hi guys, this is Srikant. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to cancel subscription in Azure portal. Okay, before starting the video, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and let's jump into the video. See guys, first of all, log into your Azure portal, then go to here all services. Okay, then you see here search box, right? So I'm typing Azure subscriptions. Okay, then you see here this is my subscription, it's a free trial. Okay, I'm clicking on this free trial. Okay, see, this is my billing amount. So first of all I will cancel my credit card details. Okay, see here your free credit account expires in 2 days. Okay, so first of all I will go to the billing section, then clicking on payment methods. So I will delete my card details here first. Okay, so this is my card details, so delete. Okay, so disable and delete. Okay, it's deleted. Now again I will go to this search and I will type like Azure Active Directory. Okay, just click on enter, or else select this one, default directory. See guys, it's loading. Okay, click on manage tenants. My system is slow. Okay, manage tenants, and here is my default directory, Srinivas Aravalli Outlook Microsoft. So I will select this and delete. Okay, see guys, you need to delete all these subscriptions. Okay, so underlying resources, so I am clicking on this, so it's deleted. Again I am clicking on here free trial, it shows still active, but you can click on free trial and click on cancel subscription. So it's asking a reason, so select any option from here. I will select I'm using another Microsoft Azure subscription. Okay, then turn off my resources. I'm checking this and clicking on cancel subscription. Okay, your subscription is being cancelled. Okay, see guys, it's successfully cancelled. Okay, this is a way to disable and cancel the Azure subscription. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.